Hi there and welcome to this Mastering Formatting course in Excel. So my name is Keith Griggs. I am an Excel fanatic. I've been using Excel for over 30 years on pretty much a daily basis, and I'm really good at it, and I'm trying to really share all my knowledge and passion for Excel with whoever wants to listen. If you complete this course, you'll be able to do really beautiful spreadsheets that will really impress your boss and co-workers, and people will really enjoy using your spreadsheets. This is a very practical course. The idea is that you start with a brand new workbook and that you work along with me, format things just as I format things, and then you can also download the spreadsheet that I create during the course and you can compare your work with my work. That's really the best way of absorbing all this knowledge and these new skills. So there's three different sections of the course. There's basic formatting, there's advanced formatting, and then there's working with dates. So this is the spreadsheet that you're going to be able to download, and you'll be able to do all these things by the end of the course. So you'll be able to merge cells like that, merge and center, format a table like this in a couple of clicks, how to format manually like this with negative cells in red, for example, all these different colors, and how to do borders, how to word wrap text like that, how to use percentages, how to format strikeout or superscript, how to use data bars like that, which really bring the numbers alive. Also with dates, I show you all these are the same date and time, which is now formatted in many different ways. But my favourite is where you have the day of the week as well. So I'll show you how to do that, and also how to sort and calculate using dates. So the ideal student would either be a total beginner or someone who's maybe at the beginner/intermediate level, who knows a bit maybe about some of the things I'm talking about, but there's still gaps in their knowledge. And then this course might be quite useful just to fill in the gaps and turn them into a master formatter. So take a look at some of the preview videos, buy the course and work your way through it, and I hope this is a whole new start for you in a whole new world of creating beautifully formatted Excel spreadsheets.